Hello and welcome back to another tutorial with Jay That Drain Guy. Today I'm going to walk you through the proper way to auger out a toilet. First things first, let's talk about safety. Always make sure to wear proper hand protection. I personally recommend the Watson gloves. I use Grease Monkey, the 5mm gloves on this job, but you can also use the Watson gloves, tough as nails. These are good for protecting your hands and keeping anything that comes back from the cable off your hands. Now let's introduce the star of the show. This is the Rigid Auger K-6P. It's a 6-foot auger with a drop head. This tool is essential for tackling stubborn clogs effectively. To begin, unclip the auger from the handle and extend it to bring the cable with the drop head to the bottom of the boot. Carefully insert into the toilet bowl, ensuring not to scratch the surface. Next, you're going to spin the handle clockwise while feeding the cable into the bowl to reach the blockage. If needed, extend the handle further by pushing the button and pulling the handle up while the cable stays in position. And then it will lock back into the bottom of the handle. And begin spinning to navigate through the drain and into the drain stack. Once the blockage is cleared, pull the cable out and push the button on the bottom of the handle to retract it until the button pops up to the top hole. Always remember to turn the handle clockwise only, or else the cable inside the handle can kink up and then it will no longer be usable. After flushing the toilet to ensure everything's clear, carefully pull the cable out without letting it hit the bowl and clip it back into the handle. The one thing I like to use is a cable cuff. It ensures the cable in place on the handle because over time the plastic can wear away and the cable can drop off the handle. Oh, and let's not forget the bonus tip. Use electrical tape at the bottom of the orange boot to prevent it from sliding up and scratching the bolt. Lastly, let's talk about storage. I keep my auger and plunger in a homemade carrying case made from 6-inch PVC pipe that ensures no water spills onto the floor and keeps everything organized. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for joining me today on Jay That Drain Guy. Until next time, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. For more tips and tutorials, stay safe and happy plumbing.